G'day guys and welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be doing cold oil fried chips. They're really simple to do, they're really good when you're out camping, even at home to be honest, because you don't have to worry about flare-ups by dropping potatoes into hot oil. It's just a really simple way to do it and they come up really, really nice. All you need is your potatoes, oil and a fry pan or a deep dish. Okay, let's get on to it. Okay, so I'll show you how to do the chips. All you'll need is a bowl, put the chips in. Now, with these, you can cut them honestly as thick or as thin as you want. You can do like sort of, I guess steakhouse type of ones. You can do French fries, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. It all comes out the same in the end. Now we're putting them into a bowl and then filling the bowl with water. Now the water gets all the starch off the chips. You don't want that with the starch, it just makes them go soggy and you don't get that sort of crispness out of your potatoes. Once they're soaked, probably, I'll cut my hand off, probably about, 8-10 minutes. Dry them off as good as you can. And then I'll show you the next process, which is just putting them into cold oil, literally. Now, as you can see, like I said before, these chips I've cut quite thick. Doesn't matter how you cut them, but make sure they are consistent, or as consistent as you can be. If you've got little French fries and big steak ones like this, it's gonna not cook properly. You're gonna have French fries burnt. These are gonna be raw. So just make sure they are as uniform as you can be. Okay, so we'll just whack these in the bowl. It's got some water. It is water, not wine. Okay. Now, like I said, we'll let these soak for about 10 minutes. You'll see it'll start to foam up, as you can see now. That's just getting the starch and everything out of it. We'll dry them off and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, these are ready to go now. There is a bit of starch here, not a lot. It depends on the potato. Sometimes you'll get it really milky, other times you won't. So we'll just take these off, give them a strain. Just grab a towel, put it on top, just to try and get a little bit more of the moisture out, really. Okay, just whack them straight into the pan. Now I'm using canola oil. I do find it's a better oil for chips. It's less fatty. I mean, chips aren't the best, are they? But it is better for you. Okay. Just make sure they're covered. Okay, we'll just turn him on. Now put it onto a high heat, at least at the beginning, until it starts to sort of bubble. Then you can turn it down a little bit, but you don't want it to be dead oil, you want it to be actually bubbling away. It probably only takes about 10 minutes, maybe 15, depending on how many chips you've actually got in there. But once that's all done, all you need to do is strain them off, add your salt, pepper, whatever you want to them, and away you go. Okay, it's only been a few minutes. As you can see, it's starting to boil now, so at the moment I'm okay. I might turn it down a little bit, but that's kind of the sort of what you need. You need that to be sort of boiling like that. You don't want it to be going mental, but you don't want it to be doing nothing. Okay guys, the chips are all done now. So just grab some paper towel, just to drain off the excess oil. And nice and golden. They will be really good, nice and fluffy on the inside. Okay, just give them a bit of a drain. Bit of salt or whatever you like. You know, guys, you can make your own chili salt, garlic salt, rosemary salt, whatever you like. Quite easy to make. So there you have it, guys. There's my cold oil chips. Very simple to make. Beautiful and crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Really, really nice. Great accompaniment to anything. I've actually done a chicken burger on a different show. If you'd like to have a look at that one, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, please add a comment. Anything you'd like to see me cook in the future or any questions, don't hesitate. All right, we'll give these a whack and see how they are. And thanks for watching. They're hot. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. See you next time, guys.